Alright guys, we are getting ready to have our car inspected for drag racing. It's rainy and wet out. It's not raining right now, but it's been off and on all morning. So we're hoping that the rain will stop and the sun will come out. And even if the sun doesn't come out, for the rain to stop, so we can actually do some runs. I'm not going to bother racing my car if the strip is soaked. So we're going to play it by ear. We're going to get our car teched just in case. It's looking pretty good though. Looking like things are drying off. No, I don't. I didn't bring one.
He doesn't have a helmet either.
You'll have to borrow one when you come up the stage.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yep.
Remember your car number in case it washes off. It's 12.
12? All right, cool. Thanks. All right, so now we're going to head over to Show and Shine. Kind of wait out the weather a bit before I don't think they're doing any drag races right now anyway. But we're going to go and park and we'll go look around, see what we can find.
We're getting ready to get set up on the dyno. I got my buddy Sean's C63 and my C63. We're gonna do a comparison. We both had different tunes, and we've got a pretty ghetto jerry rig up here. There you go.
What up, boy?
What numbers?
130, baby.
How much?
That's 7 more than stock.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Anyone that says no engines, they got that.
There you go. All right, so it's raining. Can't dyno the car yet. Obviously I can't, and they're closing the drag strip until the rain stops.
right, guys, so bad news. The dyno blew up during the other C63's run. Literally smoke, and it blew up. So nobody can get dynoed for the day. Their dyno's busted. So we are now going to head over and do some races. Everybody's lined up and racing, and I'm going to try and race the other C63 at the same time. So we'll see who's got who. All right, guys, we are going to be racing the other red C63. I don't know if you can see that or not, but he's right over there. And this will be my first ever race in my car, ever. So I'm pretty excited. So how far are we going down to?
What's that?
When do we let off the gas? Like
there's a set of double pylons. There's like a set of big ones.
Yeah.
You'll see them.
Yeah.
And you'll see like little white boxes behind the pylons right there.
Okay.
And then after that, you just slow down and watch the guy beside you, and then pull off to the side. There's a blue Golf R.
Okay.
And pull off that side with everybody else.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Come back as a group after a couple minutes.
Okay.
You're good to pull up the stage.
I got a really late start, but that was my first run. That was pretty fun. All right, so I'm just waiting here on the side, and we're gonna head back down and get our times. Sean and his C63 definitely beat me on that run. I had like a delayed start, and it happened so quick too. I was sitting there waiting, and I was looking over at him, and then I looked at the light, and I saw the light was yellow. And for some reason, I was still focused on his car, and then when it turned green, it took me a second to like register that it was green. I was like, oh shit, it's green, I gotta go. Hopefully I have some like B-roll. My wife, Kayla, is back there filming, so I could actually see the start to see how late my start was. Also, the traction, I was still having a little bit of problems towards the start with some of the traction. It definitely was sticking a lot better than before, but we're by no means, going from 0 and having no problem. If it was a rolling start, it would have been much better. But, first run, not bad. A lot of fun. A whole ton of fun. 12?
12, yours didn't print?
Okay.
Is that so?
Oh, I'll do another run.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's all good.
Thanks, man.
All right. All right, so it looks like my time didn't print, so we're going to do another run anyway. I had a really bad run. All right, guys, we're getting ready for round number 2.
How you doing that one?
I had a bad start.
Yeah, you did have a bad start.
Yeah, so I'm going to just try and focus more on the light. I was more focused on his car, and then he went, and then I went. Yeah.
Middle too, trying to driving all the water.
Yeah. Woo! Woo! Way better start. Way better start. Way better start, man. Wow. Way better. We got him that time. Oh, I love it, man. I fucking love this car so much. Just puts a smile on my face, man. It puts a smile on my face. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to the Miramichi Raceway, the airstrip there, because this is only an eighth of a mile. At Miramichi, they let you go a full mile. So my top speed here, I was looking up on my my windshield, was 158. When we go to Miramichi, we'll get her going about 300 kilometers an hour. And it's just a lot more to really push the car because, you know, this car is fast, but I feel like the power band really kicks in once we get up between 120 kilometers an hour up to past 200. So I'm looking forward to that. But this is always fun, and there's a huge audience here too. There's a ton of people, so, you know, it's good. And we had a really good run last time, so pretty happy. Did you get me this time? 12?
12, we did get you. We held that yours.
All right. Number 12.
12? Yeah. The right lane ain't working very good.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Yeah. Sensor keeps losing signal.
Ah, all right.
Sorry.
What's up, man?
Buddy.
Yeah, how you doing?
Sounds amazing.
Yeah.
A lot of noise.
A lot.
How is that?
It's busted. The sensor's busted on this side.
Busted? That
Yeah.
was- yeah.
So, but I had a good run.
Yeah.
Yeah, it felt
I know
good.
that.
Yeah.
I know that.
Thanks, man.
He let me right in the middle.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Cool.
So I was down in the corner and he said, he came back and he said, Jeff's on the other side. He said, why don't I just see if I can get you in the middle? I said, yes, please.
Here's the numbers there. It just shows like win and loss. I'm number 12. He was number 11. It says that I won, but he said that the numbers are a little messed up. So it says 6.726, but it doesn't say what his was down here. So yeah, I don't know. And I don't even know if this is fully right. But anyway. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to do the third race. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to put it into race mode. I'm not 100% sure what that does, as I've never used it before, so who knows? We're going to find out. We may as well experiment. Oh shit, race mode is where it's at. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. Felt real good. Can't wait to see the time for that. I feel like that was even faster than the last round. Yeah, so the only difference between mine and Sean C63 is I have those carbon fiber air boxes. So I'm not sure what kind of big, if any, major differences there are, but that run felt real good.
Smoked him that time.
Yeah, I pulled way ahead that time.
I got a pretty good video with my phone.
So I'm going to do one more. I have to do one more. I'm going to race the Tesla behind me.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. That's cool. That was a
The
good
guy
one.
next to me was like, oh, the car is so loud. It's a mess. Yeah, that's like a better video than what I got with the GoPro.
Yeah, that was a good one. All right, guys, so on the last race, we're right here. We're number 12 again. I don't know if you can see that, if it's focusing or not. If not, I'll take some pictures at home. So we're number 12 over here. but I'm not sure how to read these numbers, and I honestly don't know which one was a better run. I have no idea how to read these numbers. All I know is that last race was way better than even the second one, and the second one was good. So we pulled off significantly that time, so pretty happy. And we're gonna be racing this Tesla here, and that's actually a viewer. So we'll see what we can do against the Tesla.